Good morning and welcome to our assembly. As promised, this assembly is very much going to be one on the theme of celebrating success. I can see how hard all of you have been working during the first part of the week. A lot of the work has been marked. I've seen plenty of examples of the work and I'm absolutely thrilled to see what you are doing at home. And so today, to start with, we have some commendations to hand out. I will read the list of those of you who have won commendations, first names only in year group, GDPR, and then we will pop your commendations in the post to you and you can eagerly await for their arrival. So, without further ado, commendations this morning go to, in year one, Freddie, with what I have to say was magnificent mini beast yoga. I've seen the photo. Mom and Dad, I've seen the photo, okay, and the secret is safe with me. Also in year one, Sammy, for working consistently hard, well done to you. Rui, for a lovely piece of English work, you're getting a commendation. In year two, Daron, you get a commendation for your English, very well done. Bajveer, a commendation for maths. And Joshua, you get a commendation for English. So very well done to all of you boys, your commendations are on their way. In year three, Ari and Roman, you get commendations for your enrichment activities. Freddie, you get a commendation for English, as does Haris. Very well done. Further up the school, Jarwar in year four, you get a commendation for science, and Mr. Lawrence showed me that piece of science work, diagram of the ear, so very well done to you. Also in year four, George, you get a commendation for your English, absolutely fantastic and lovely to see. In year five, Obi, you get a commendation for history. And Alex, you get a commendation for your English, that magnificent description of the boss. And then in year six, Kasim, you get a commendation for art, as does Milo. Well done to you all. I have a huge list of commendations, so if you haven't got a commendation this morning, don't worry at all. There will be many, many more commendations given out. The second thing I just want to talk to you about this morning, it relates very much to the year six boys. I feel for you guys because the best time in my West House career was once my exams were done and when I could get out there and enjoy all that this school has to offer, engaging in the activities, taking on positions of responsibility. And the circumstances are such that you haven't perhaps been able to do this in the same way. I remain hopeful that at some point we will return to school before your time is done and you can enjoy all those things that I remember so well from when I was here as a boy. And it is important to me that so many of you have been on the journey for so long that you do not miss out on that which you rightly deserve. And so I just want to talk to you all about positions of responsibility. I have in front of me the Prefect's book that was first launched in 1926. And Mr. Field, who was head at that time, presents some notes as to what senior boys who are appointed as prefects can do. And I will read you just one or two examples from what it says in this book from 1926. Powers: to send a boy to bed early on not more than 2 nights for an offence. To report a boy to Mr. Field. To send boys to face the clock for 15, 30, 45 or 60 minutes. To stop boys toasting for 1, 2 or 3 actual toasting days Now, for those of you who don't know what toasting is, it's making toast. I then get an entry later on where we get some clarification. When a boy's toasting is stopped, he must neither toast for himself or anyone else, not eat toast which someone else has toasted. So there were just a few examples of the powers that prefects could have. In this day and age, being a prefect is not about power. It is about recognition of what our senior boys do for the school. And being appointed a school prefect does not come lightly. We have a system whereby boys have to earn bronze, silver and gold merit badges before being appointed monitors. And being a monitor is that step just short of being a school prefect, and if you become a school prefect, that is the highest position of responsibility that one can achieve. And it is about boys who put others before themselves. And so this morning, I just want to say to you that we are going to make some appointments. And as with the commendations, any badges or ties that are awarded are richly deserved and will be forwarded in the post. And I sincerely hope, boys, that a time will come when you can wear your badges and ties with pride around the school grounds before your day of departure comes. This morning, we are awarding gold badges and indeed monitor badges to Will and Issa in Year 6. Congratulations to you. And prefect's ties. I still have my prefect's tie hanging proudly in my wardrobe from when I was awarded it in 1984. So look after these boys. If you get the opportunity, wear them with pride. You richly, richly deserve them. Prefect's ties going to boys in Year 6, boys who have earned their merit badges, who have earned their monitors badges and now are ready to take the next step. Alfie, Austin, Art, Sedge, Sam, Idris, Zubin, Ming and Ethan, all absolute ambassadors for this school, and I and all my colleagues, and I'm sure the rest of the school community, immensely proud of your achievements and what you have done for our school. Congratulations to you all. Keep safe.